Hey, what are you guys doing? What are we doing today? Welcome to Lisa Fry, the Catholic unschooler, homeschooler, all around schooler. Well, I went on a show last night to watch. It's The Healthy Life, and there's Marcus and his girlfriend Kara. Raw vegans for the most part. They do have some uncooked food, but mostly not. And so she was teaching how to make a ricotta cheese, because I am going to make a raw lasagna with zucchini, and I'm so excited. I'm going to try to not use, I have cherry tomatoes. I also have cooked spaghetti sauce, but I'm not going to use that today because I want to try to eat a full raw meal. And so I'm going to taste this right now, and I can't wait. So it's with sea moss, yep, and like lemon juice and basil and oregano and salt and pepper. All right, let's take a taste test. What's wrong with that? Oh my gosh. People, yes, I am going to be better after I eat this than I am right now. I always say that, but it's true. It is. And then I'm gonna go, after I eat this, well, I can't say after I make it and then put it in the oven and then I'll go exercise. No. This device here is like a crematory. Am I saying that right? Crematory? Am I saying that right? Where you cremate. Yes. It does turn into ashes, but it might as well, because it doesn't help us at all. Check it out, check it out, check it out, y'all. Why do I get so excited? Because I thought it was just me. When I listen to other people who do this, they sound like I do, It's like you don't get so excited over like cooked foods, It's like, oh yeah, that's good, yeah, oh it's very nice, yeah. This here is just like, oh my gosh. Look at it. So while this is cooking, I'm gonna get it warm, room temperature, and while that's happening, I'm gonna clean up, and then I'm gonna do my exercise after, so that any insulin, which this won't be raising too high, trust me, but I like to exercise a little bit after I eat. So what am I saying to you? I'm gonna go pray. I've done everything I've cleaned up, and I've done everything I had to do today, and I say my daily prayers, and then I'll come back. I haven't eaten yet today, except for licking the bowls. Check it out, y'all. I just prayed the St. Michael Chaplet. Oh, look at it. Just look. I can't tell. It's almost 2 o'clock, and I have not eaten yet, and I'm starving. And so when I see all my friends, all my fruits and vegetables, careful, the cat's out there, I just want to devour them all. So let me show you what I got. My friends, right here is nice and toasty and warm. I've been freezing all day. I've been hungry all day. So here we go. We're going to feed. I never, ever, ever buy peanuts. I used to all the time. But I got a nice big bag. And I found out that crows can eat bananas. So I got bananas. I got the kind that are, on the clearance section. Yep, they're gonna love me. I cannot tell you how incredible dates are. If you want a good system, eat dates and pecans together. Oh, my daughter put away already. She put away 5 things, so we're gonna be minus 5 things. I'm so hungry. She goes, why don't you eat actual food? I said, I am. I lived without these for a number of days. And I tried eating raisins because that's what we had. Not the same. Mm-mm. Oh my gosh. Yeah. I saw the apple core. I was like, oh my gosh. Because it was like readily available for me. If I have cat hair, who knows what I have on me. I'm going to call this cat hair and crumbs. I know, it's so attractive, right? So, I almost bought another cassava. Like, I need more. I did. I had it in my hands. This is so good. Hold on a second. But I got a whole bunch of mangoes, like 7 of them. I need one for every day. But as I was listening to, it's with the G, Jillian Berry. She has this guy named Shane, I forget his last name, on the show. And they're always talking about, sorry, why don't I talk to you after, right? I don't know. Feeling the vibrations off things, I'm like, these guys kind of sound a little wacky, you know? I know what they mean. I experienced the other day. I left a message on here with you guys about that when I was walking in the store, and I could smell. It was like almost as though I could see it too. It was almost as though I could see the fruits and vegetable particles in the air as well as smell them. It's really weird. I was gonna get more, but they're so expensive. I said no. I gotta mix and match with all the other stuff. It ain't the same though. All right, Lisa. There's something about dates. I know they're sugary, but with the fiber. If you want a good system, you want to feel satisfied, you want to do your gut a big favor, eat these babies. All right, I'm going to get into it now with you. Okay, so I am going to make 2 different kinds. I made them the other day. I used to make fish cakes with tuna. My grandmother used to make them when I was little. So good. But I don't want to kill the vegetables that I decided to put inside of them. So I took out the fish because I don't eat the fish. She didn't want the fish either. Nobody wants the fish. So I took out the fish and I just made the potato. You have to cook the potato. And I fried up the potato with very minimal frying. So I just want to kind of do the breadcrumbs so I can preserve the nutrients of the cabbage, carrots, broccoli, and spinach, and the garlic in the fish cake. I don't know if there's any more here. So good. It's ridiculous how good they are. Okay. I think I got it. Hold on. I'm in my glory right now. Look at how pretty. Look. Wonderful. And we don't cook the inside, you know, just on the outside, a light browning. That's gluten-free breadcrumb. It's 3:30, okay? Wow. Okay, so I am redoing the inside of my fridge because it was just gross. I had like 15 bags of opened carrots. Same thing with the lettuce. And I have so many different kinds of greens in here that I don't even know what a lot of their names are. But I buy them anyway. Eggs, I'm not buying anymore because they are so expensive. And to me, I'm sorry. That's what the chickens deserve, absolutely. But I am not buying them. And so in the meantime, I took a little hummus, which I made some of my own for the first time the other day, maybe the second time in my life, but I don't remember. It was so powerfully wonderful. I'm using up this last container with all the other oils in it that you buy at the store. I'm not doing it anymore. It's cheaper and way tastier and way healthier. But I'm putting this roasted pepper one. I hear roasted. I'm like, oh, I killed it. And I put it on the baby bok choy. And So I keep doing this while I'm putting the stuff away and cleaning. Yeah. So I put all the carrots in one bag. All the Brussels sprouts in another. See how that looks? Guarantee that if I peel those, they're not going to look like that on the inside. So be careful not to throw them out. What I do is I slice them in threes, and then I dip it just like that, raw, right into whatever I want. Usually avocado. This one's really, really good. It has nothing horrible in it. Or the hummus, you know. Okay, I know I still haven't given you guys the haul yet. Although the crows are really enjoying. I gave them bananas for the first time. Yep. See, I bought this for $1, a bunch of them. And I cut up one of them. The inside was perfect. That would be like something I would put in my freezer for my ice cream that I make. Ho, 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 ho. And now I know I can give it to them too. And it's nutritious instead of just white garbage bread. Oh.